Good morning, everybody. This is Lincoln Kenobi here, and today we have another article of Ubisoft, and it is getting much worse, much worse than what we have been seeing right now. That I have discussed it in a stream that I did for like 35 minutes about all the Ubisoft articles that I found from Tuesday up to yesterday, and this is today's latest. Financial analysis describes Ubisoft sales collapse and delaying of Assassin's Creed Shadows as total meltdown as stock prices collapse. Because that's what they get. There's a saying, and I've said this many times, you go woke, you're gonna go broke. So let's read this article, shall we? A financial analysis described Ubisoft sales collapse and its delaying of Assassin's Creed Shadows a total meltdown, and the company's stock collapse proves that true. Valiant Renegade reacted to the news that broke yesterday afternoon in the United States that Ubisoft was not only delaying Assassin's Creed Shadows, but that they were reducing their sales expectations for its second quarter by 30% from 500 million to 300 and 370 million euros. On top of that, the company also revised their entire year expectation to around break even. Instead of probability, he described it as a total meltdown. Valiant Renegade specifically reacted to the stock price crashing nearly 20% since the market opened this morning around €9. I'm guessing that's what it means. This little signia thing is euro. I'm just saying euro, but if you guys could correct me on that, I would appreciate it. He said a little over 4 years ago, Ubisoft was trading at nearly 90 to not 90. That's 9.90 euros, and 4 years and 7 months later, here we are in €9. That means the company has shed 90% of its total market capitalization. And right now, as this continues on, this is going to make Ubisoft worth probably less than $1 billion on the open market by the end of trading today. See, look at this, bro. Look at that. 9.35 in stock. Oh my god, dude. And that's in euro. Oh my god, dude. Jesus. From there, Valiant Renegade reacted to the latest statement from AJ Investments, who had previously called for the company to sell its assets and go private and replace CEO Yves Guillemot. According to a report from Reuters, I guess that's what it is. AJ Investments, which itself holds around a 1% stake in Ubisoft, claimed it has gathered support from 10% of the French video game and publishers' shareholders. The company also reiterated its position. We call on the management of Ubisoft to allow the sale of the company to third parties or private equity firms at a fair price. Renegade reacted to this saying, Ubisoft, of course, has made no comment on this, but as I stated earlier, I think that 10% is going to continue to expand, and it's going to happen probably pretty quickly after today. I wouldn't be all surprised if Yves Guillemot may not be the CEO there anymore before Assassin's Creed actually manages to release in February. If, of course, it still manages to release in February, he added. He thinks it may not be ready until February. It may be past February, bro. And it's like this, bro. They put their goal on targeting identity politics, bro. That's what they did. And they are going to get themselves... They're going to regret it. In a statement that Dark Park Place, Valiant Renegade also shared, Ubisoft opened this morning on the Paris-based Euronext exchange at 3 a.m. Eastern and immediately responded to news following yesterday's close that Assassin's Creed Shadows will be delayed until February 2025. Intraday trading as Ubisoft collapsing some 20% at points, bringing the overall market cap down to less than 1 billion euros. This is a total meltdown, and investors' confidence was already at historical low levels and hanging by a thread following the relative flop of Star Wars Outlaws made in tandem that with Disney Lucasfilm, he declared. Yeah, man, They really screwed up. They screwed up on this project badly. He also speculated that the reason for delaying Assassin's Creed Shadows has nothing to do with Ubisoft's official statement about polishing the game, but has more to do with attempting to ensure the company at least breaks even for its fiscal year. He stated once Ubisoft canceled their worldwide press event and even pulling out the massive Tokyo Game Show, the writing was on the wall that Assassin's Creed Shadows was going to get pushed back. Ubisoft obviously saw what was coming, and that was likely a serious underperformance of sales upon the game initial release date target of November 15th. Ubisoft says the next 90 days will afford them time to polish the game, but they also seem desperate to release it before the end of their fiscal year of March 31st. As profitably, guidance as current been adjusted down with the game maker, basically hoping to just maybe break even on the year. Valiant Renegade added, he concluded, it's a total mess right now. Yep, it's a total mess, all right, for Ubisoft. Oh, man. It's like I said, man, I mean, Jesus fucking Christ, man. All they had to do was listen to the fans, go by their culture. If they would have went by their Japanese culture and not try to go with identity politics, with all this nonsense, bro, this game would have probably been successful. They would have had no issues. They wouldn't have the backlash they would have been having. They wouldn't have Sweet Baby Inc. going with getting involved. They wouldn't be having New York Times getting involved. They wouldn't have none of this happening, bro. But of course, as long as Ubisoft is connected to Sweet Baby Inc., they are going to destroy this game. They are going to destroy this beloved franchise, bro. So I do hope in the Ghost of Tsushima sequel, The Ghost of Yote, I do hope that the Ghost of Yote will silence this game once and for all, bro. I hope they do. I hope Sucker Punch knows what they're doing, and I hope Sucker Punch takes this company down. But time will tell with that game of a Ghost of Tsushima sequel, so I will be looking into that. But for now, Ubisoft, that's what happens when you go woke, man. When you go woke, when you go with when you go concentrate, focus on identity politics, you're going to get this kind of result. So, bravo to you guys. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, if you like the video, hit the like button. Share this video. Post a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts about this. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for me. All right, guys. See you guys later. Bye for now.